Let me show you how to fix unable to open file on Google Drive. Now, if this is also the issue with you and if you get this error message which says access denied or you're not being able to see the exact file, then that likely means the sender of this file or the owner of this file has not set the video or the file to anyone with the link. So what the sender needs to do is click on share and make sure that this is set to anyone with the link. Only once this is done, the files can be easily shared. Now, if this is not the issue with you and you do not get this error message, but still you're not being able to download or open any sort of files within your Google account, then what you can try out is try to download it in a incognito window. So just click on the three dotted line on the top of the screen inside of your Google Chrome and then click on the new incognito window. Right here, you can paste in the link and try to see if you can now download the files. If you're still having issues with it, the other thing that you can also try out is try to clear the cache of your browser. So again, click on the three dotted line, head over to delete browsing data, make sure the last 7 days are selected, make sure cookies and other site data, as well as cache images and files are selected, and then you can now click on the delete data. Now, along with that, you also need to make sure that you have disabled any sort of extensions or VPNs which might be causing this sort of issue. Now, if none of these solutions still work out for you, then what you can try out in general is try to use a different browser. So you may have different accounts logged in inside of your laptop or desktop. So you can just use a different Google account or use a different browser in general, such as Microsoft Edge, and try to see if this fixes the issue. So once you try these few steps, I do hope your issues are now fixed. If this video did help you out, be sure to let us know by giving it a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you in the next video.